Hello students, this is the second video for class 5th based on the lesson Features of Windows 10. Windows 10 is a series of operating system produced by the American multinational technology company Microsoft. It has several new features which make it easier to use and more efficient than earlier versions of MS Windows. Windows 10 is a series of MS Windows. Let us understand some common features of Windows. Let I show you how you do it. The first feature, that is switching between running programs. It is a feature of Windows 10. You can switch between minimize open application by clicking the icons along the taskbar located at the bottom of your screen. Taskbar situated at the bottom of your screen on the desktop. It provides us a facility of multitasking. Open two or more programs at one time, that is called multitasking. The next is switching between running programs with the help of taskbar. The steps are, this is the taskbar. You move your mouse pointer over the icon of the program which you want to open. Just click, move the mouse pointer here, no need to click. When I move the mouse pointer here, when I click here, program will open. Minimize it, just move the mouse pointer over the taskbar on the program. You found the thumbnails of the option. This is the thumbnail for the program MS Office. When you click over the thumbnails, it will open the program. You again minimize it and again move the mouse pointer over the program and move the mouse pointer over the thumbnails. If you don't click over the thumbnail, the program will not resize. Okay, this is called the running programs with the help of taskbar. If you want to close it, click the cross button over the thumbnails. The program will automatically close. And now the next is switching between running programs using task view. This is the task view button. It is also a feature of Windows 10. You apply it by clicking over the task view button on the taskbar. When you click over it, you found the thumbnails of all running programs. Here are open only the one program. That's why you found only the one program in running. Wait, I'll open one more program. Yes, photos. I just minimize it. Now the two programs are open. One is Office and another is MS Photos. I just minimize the two programs. One is Office and another is Photos. Okay, so I'm going to use the task view button. So I click over the task view button. Okay, now you found here the three running programs. Firstly, I open the Office. You see here. Then after I open the Photos. You saw the Photos. And then the Cortana. Okay. How I open it? I just simply click over the task view button. Task view button shows us the list of all running programs. Okay. So when I click over the photo, you saw the Office at first, then Photo, and then Cortana. If I click over the Cortana's thumbnails, okay, it means it display at the front. See here. When I again click on the task view button, you found the photo option or the photos thumbnail option at the front, then Office, then Cortana. Now you understand what is the use of task view button. It is used to show list of all running programs. Okay, this is the switching between running programs with the help of taskbar. When you select the thumbnails of the particular program, it means your window is displayed that particular programs in the front. This is the switching between running programs with the help of task view button. Okay, the next is switching between running program using the keyboard. The same process but with the help of keyboard. Now I close it. The same process with the help of keyboard. The steps are: press and hold the Alt key, then press Tab key, then again press the Tab key. The first time when you press Tab key, it shows thumbnails of all running programs on the screen. The second time when you press Tab key, you found the selected program thumbnails highlighted. At last, release the Alt key. The selected program window is displayed in the front. This is the process switching between running programs using the keyboard. The same process we can do with the help of mouse. Now the next is organize program with multiple desktop. Multiple desktop means more than one desktop. It makes your computer screen easier to move or manage and less make a mesh. It creates multiple desktop, each desktop having with own running programs window. So let us start how you add a new desktop. The steps are here. You can click on the task view button. Again click on the task view button. When you click here, you found you have already knew that when you click over the task view button, you found the all running programs list in thumbnail. Okay, then quickly you found all running programs on the screen, no problem. Then click the new desktop plus button. This is the plus button of the plus button which you use to create new desktop. See here, I have already created the 2 more desktops here. You can see over the screen, desktop 1 is the default desktop, that is a Windows 10. Desktop 2 I have created and desktop 3 I have created. It means this computer have 3 desktop and the 4th one I am going to create. Just simply click over the plus option or the button. Okay, I just click here. What you see? Now your Windows create a one more new desktop which you call desktop 4. Okay, but your original desktop is desktop 1. This one is your original desktop. Okay, now you understand why this computer show the 4 desktops, because I have already created desktop 2, 3, 4, how many? Okay, the next is switching between desktop. Switching between desktop. The process are: click on the task view button on the taskbar. As you know that the task view button show all running programs list in thumbnails. Here I am on the desktop 4. Here no running program, so no any program is here. Then again click over the task view button. For seeing the desktop 3's options, here are also no any programs. Click on the desktop 2. Here you no programs, okay, because I have already closed all. Now the desktop 1 shown you the 3 programs, 3 running programs: Photos, Office and Cortana, which was I have already opened. I didn't close it, that's why you see here. Okay, for switching between desktop, these steps are: just simply click on the task view button on the taskbar. You found the thumbnails for all running desktop are shown at the bottom and the current are shown in the upper part of the screen. Click on the particular desktop which you want to use, the selected desktop and programs running over it. First you need to click the particular program, then need to click the particular desktop. Okay, this is the process of switching between desktop. Okay, the next is moving a program to a different desktop. See how you can do it. You just click on the task view button on the taskbar. Again click on the task view button on the taskbar for this feature. Right click on the thumbnails of the program which you want to move to another desktop. The selected program moves to the selected desktop. This is the process of moving a program to a different desktop. Now the next is searching your computer with the help of search box. It is very easy. You found the search box next to the start button on the taskbar. Just see here. Okay. Search box provides you help to search any programs and files from your computer. It is quite easy. You click on the search box and type the text or name of the program or file which you want to search. Windows immediately display programs related with your search text. Just click here and type the name of the program which you want to open. I write here Paint. Then click here or the press enter. Immediately Windows open the Paint on the desktop. You can see here. This is called the searching your computer with the help of search box. This is the use of search box. Okay. The next is Cortana. Just close it. This option is used for close, and this is maximize, and this is minimize. Minimize, when you click over the minimize button, the particular program will minimized and placed on the taskbar. And when you click on the maximize button, the program will maximize like the same. When you click here on the minimize, the programs will placed on the taskbar. You can see here the Paint, Photos, MS Office. Here are 3 programs. Okay. The next is Cortana. It is a personal assistant in Windows 10. It works with voice-based command. This is the Cortana. You called Cortana talk button. It can open programs, set appointments, manage email, messages, and many more things. How you can use Cortana? It is very easy. You click on the talk button just next to the search box and speak your command or instructions in the microphone. Cortana immediately executes your commands. Okay, click on the Cortana and here you found the option. Just see, this is the window of Cortana. When you click over the talk button, you found this window. You can set Cortana to hear you or giving response to you anything when you say hey Cortana. You need to activate this system first. So how you activate Cortana? You click inside the search box. Okay, you click inside the search box. Cortana's home page open. This is the home page. Under setting icon, you switch on let Cortana response to hi Cortana. Under, see here, setting option. Okay, talking to Cortana. Click on set it. Wait, you just on it. Cortana response when you say Cortana. Okay, it is depends upon you what word you need to keep it here. Okay, then go to back. Okay, talking to Cortana. Okay, then Under setting icon, you switch on let Cortana response to a Cortana. Now speak hi Cortana into the microphone. Immediately Cortana gets activated and follow your commands or giving response over your commands. This is Cortana, a feature of Windows 10. I close it. Now the Action Center. What is Action Center? It is a place in Windows. It is a place in Windows 10 to view alerts and notifications from various apps. It can be accessed by clicking its button on the taskbar. It displays emails, calendar, events. You can see here. Display email, calendar, events, maintain messages, etc. It is also an important feature of Windows 10. It reminds us. See here, this is the notification. It reminds us for different messages, notifications, our events, calendar, etc. Here are some common features of Windows 10 which you used in your common life. Now the next one is toggling between the tablet mode and the desktop mode. Windows 10 allows you to work on a desktop or laptop both in two different modes. It means here are two modes. The first one is desktop mode and another is tablet mode. So what is desktop mode? It is a default mode in Windows 10. Apps open in desktop windows with option to change their size. Now you understand? Desktop mode provides us the facility to change their size, screen size. But in the tablet mode, it provides an interface similar to one. In tablet mode, you cannot resize the screen size. It is by default set as full screen. All apps open only in full screen. You can't change it. This is the tablet mode. So the most common difference in between the desktop mode and tablet mode is desktop mode. In desktop mode, you can change their size, but in tablet mode, by default, it is set as full screen. All apps open only in full screen. Now the next is on-screen keyboard. So what is keyboard? You have already know what is keyboard. It is the most common input device which you use to type data and instructions or the commands. Okay, so what is the on-screen keyboard? On-screen keyboard means that keyboard you see here. This is the keyboard which you called physical keyboard. Okay, and on-screen keyboard was already inbuilt. When you click here, you search here on-screen keyboard. On screen keyboard. Enter. When you click on screen keyboard, you saw here are on-screen keyboard. You just set it on your desktop and use it. This is the on-screen keyboard, on-screen virtual keyboard. When your keyboard is not working properly, at that time you use on-screen virtual keyboard. It is an optional keyboard. How you use on-screen keyboard? You just click over the letters or the numbers and it was simply typed. I just show you. This is the MS Word. Start new document. Word, new blank. Okay, let I show you how you used on screen keyboard. You just click on the letters and the letters were typed as according to your use. Click the start button. How you open the on screen keyboard, the steps are: click the start button, click Windows ease of access, then click on this on screen keyboard. Now the virtual keyboard is open. When you need to close it, as simply you click on the cross button and then close your application. It is simply close. Search box is another option to open any program. Here I type the keyboard name SCREEN keyboard. Now you saw the keyboard on this screen with the help of search option or the search box. Now I close it. Now the next is installing an app from Windows Store. Windows Store is online marketplace. It is online marketplace for games and applications or the apps. Some apps are available free of cost while other are paid. For installing an app through the Windows Store, the steps are: you click on the start button, then click on the store tile. Click on the store tile. Otherwise, in search option, you write the name. Okay. You see here. Here you select any one category by clicking the name. Image, video, maps. Select any one category by clicking the name. Okay, see here, glass, color, shops, they are the categories. You select any one. Browse it through the list of apps by clicking on show all option. I've already clicked here, that's why you see here on your screen. Click the thumbnails for the apps you want to install. Click here which you want to install. Click anyone which you want to install. Select anyone as according your need. Select anyone. I click on one option. Now you can see I click on grocery. You see here are different types of groceries here. Then you click get button or buy button. Okay, then you click the get button or the buy button. Then once the apps gets installed in the computer, click on the cross button. Now your apps will install in your computer, and then after you click on the cross button to close the Windows Store. Now it is closed. This is the option or the steps for installing an apps from Windows Store, Windows 10 Store. So the students, this is the common features for Windows 10 operating system. Now the lesson is over. Wait for next video. Thank you.